Hey guys, this is Santos with Flashy Jewelry. Once again, I'm back in the lab here, and I have another unboxing for you guys. I've been doing a few of these unboxings lately, but this one right here is some plated Cuban bracelets from my website, and I'm keeping the package this way because it has my address on the side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut into it, and I'm gonna throw this bag away so nobody catches my address or anything like that. So we'll just cut it over the top of the bag. There we go. And now we have a bubble wrap in there. So let's get rid of this with my address on there. Let's see what they actually gave us in here. Look at all this bubble wrap. Well, I guess they put them in pretty safe. Wow, look at these things. I have quite a few of them. These things don't look bad at all. Gold ones. There's quite a few of them. I think I ordered 10 of them. Yep. See if the count is right. I was gonna say there's one missing. That's what they look like. Let's see. I might wanna throw one on myself. See what it looks like. Let's try one of these silver ones. We'll see. See what it looks like, guys. Quick. And like I said, it's just plain jewelry, but I think they look pretty cool. So I'm gonna take a quick break, and I'm gonna have my cameraman help me with the bracelet, and then I'll be back to show you how it looks on the wrist. See you in a minute, guys. Hey guys, I'm back, and like I said, I threw on the new bracelet we just got in, and this quick wrist profile, what it looks like on wrist, and it doesn't look bad. Like I said, it's plated jewelry, silver plated, but I'm gonna give it the wear and tear test, see how it looks. I like how it looks, like to wear out a few times, party, family get together or something, just to have a quick little nice piece on for inexpensive money. That's what we do here at Flashy Jewelry. So, alright guys, this is going to be the quick video. We're out. Check the website. They'll be on there soon. FlashyJewelry.BigCartel.com. Subscribe to the page. Hit the likes, comment. Thanks for your support, guys. Flashy Jewelry.